Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own lip balm that will leave your lips feeling soft and smooth. Plus, I'll be using all natural ingredients that offer a range of benefits for your lips. Let's get started. Ingredients: beeswax, 1 tablespoon, coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, shea butter, 1 tablespoon, vitamin E oil, ½ teaspoon, peppermint essential oil, 5 to 10 drops. Instructions: in a double boiler, melt the beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter together. Once melted, remove from heat and add in the vitamin E oil and peppermint essential oil. Mix well and pour into lip balm containers. Let it cool and solidify for about 30 minutes. Enjoy your homemade lip balm. Benefits. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using this lip balm. Beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil are all natural moisturizers that will make your lips soft and supple. Shea butter and coconut oil also contain antioxidants that will help to protect your lips from environmental damage. Adding essential oils like lavender or peppermint will provide additional benefits like soothing your lips and reducing inflammation. You can also add some natural coloring agents like beetroot powder or cocoa powder that will give your lips a natural tint. Conclusion. So, that's it for today's video. We hope you found this DIY lip balm recipe helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.